Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have the power to manifest their wildest dreams and turn them into reality? Today, we are going to reveal an incredibly powerful secret that has been used by great thinkers and achievers throughout history. Get ready to discover how you can use quantum physics to create what you really want in your life. Before continuing, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Please like if you find this content interesting and leave your comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about the power of visualization. Visualization is the key to fulfillment. This concept has been a crucial tool for those who have achieved great things. Some used it naturally, without even being fully aware of its power, while others applied it in a disciplined manner, integrating it into their daily routines with precision and focus. However, in any case, visualization led them to the realization of their dreams. Visualizing is not simply imagining. It is a powerful technique that involves all our senses and emotions. When visualizing, we not only see an image in our mind, but we also feel the associated emotions, hear the sounds, smell the aromas, and touch the textures. This complete immersion in the imagined experience is what makes visualization so effective. When the mind experiences something vividly, it does not distinguish between reality and imagination, allowing us to influence our external reality through our internal perceptions. A notable example is high-performance athletes using visualization to improve their performance. These athletes imagine themselves winning competitions, honing their skills, and overcoming obstacles. By doing so, you prepare your mind and body for the reality you wish to create. This technique is not limited only to the sports field. It can be applied in any area of life, from professional career to personal relationships. To start practicing visualization, it is important to find a quiet place where you can relax and focus without distractions. Close your eyes and begin to imagine your goal in detail. See every aspect of that goal as if it were already reality. If your goal is to get a new job, imagine every step of the process, from the interview to the job offer to the first day in the office. Feel the excitement of receiving the news, the satisfaction of signing the contract, and the confidence when entering your new office. With regular practice, visualization can become a powerful tool in your personal development arsenal. Not only does it help you maintain focus and motivation, but it also aligns your unconscious mind with your conscious goals, paving the way to realizing your dreams. The unconscious mind and reality. Your unconscious mind drives your behavior and does not distinguish between what you vividly imagine and what is happening on the physical plane. Simply put, your thoughts and feelings come true. This is where a fundamental principle of quantum physics comes into play, the observer effect. This phenomenon suggests that the reality we perceive is influenced by our expectations and observations. To illustrate this, let's consider a thought experiment. Think about a situation where you feel extremely happy. Close your eyes and try to relive that moment. Listen to the sounds around you. Feel the emotions you experienced. Visualize the details as clearly as possible. Now, open your eyes and notice how your mood has changed, even if it was just a vivid imagination. This demonstrates the power of the mind to influence our perception of reality. Additionally, many people complain that their visualizations don't work because they don't take the necessary actions or because they don't truly believe in what they are visualizing. This is where we must differentiate between wishing and actively visualizing. Wishing is a passing thought, while active visualization involves a deep immersion in the process, with feelings and actions aligned with that wish. For example, if you want to improve your health, it is not enough to imagine yourself healthy. You must feel the vitality in every cell of your body, act like someone who already has that health, and make daily decisions that reflect that state. By doing so, your unconscious mind begins to work to close the gap between your current reality and the visualization. This approach not only changes your internal perception, but also influences the outside world, attracting opportunities and resources that bring you closer to your goal. The combination of visualization and coherent action is what finally transforms your desires into palpable reality. How to visualize correctly. Visualizing correctly involves more than simply seeing an image in your mind. You must completely immerse yourself in the experience, living every detail as if it were happening at that very moment. This process is called multisensory visualization. Imagine that your goal is to obtain a master's degree. Don't just visualize yourself receiving your diploma. Hear every step you take towards the stage. Feel the diploma in your hands. See the excitement in the eyes of your parents and the audience. Think about the smell of the room, the texture of the diploma, the sound of the applause. What emotions do you experience? Pride, joy, or relief? The key is to activate all your senses. This type of visualization not only helps you stay focused on your goal, but it also trains your mind to accept that reality is something achievable. Another effective technique is the use of affirmations along with visualization. As you visualize yourself reaching your goal, repeat positive affirmations in your mind, such as, "I am capable of achieving this," "I deserve this success," or "I am on the right path toward my goal." These affirmations reinforce the visualization and help overcome any internal doubts. To take your visualization to the next level, set aside specific time each day for this exercise. Find a quiet place where you won't be interrupted and allow yourself to fully immerse yourself in the experience. You can do this in the morning to start your day with a positive, goal-oriented mindset, or at night before bed, allowing your visualizations to influence your subconscious mind throughout the night. Incorporating visualization into your daily routine creates a powerful habit that strengthens your focus and determination. Additionally, consider keeping a visualization journal where you record your goals, your daily visualizations, and any progress you notice. This journal not only acts as a constant reminder of your goals, but also provides you with a space to reflect on your growth and adjust your visualizations as necessary. Another strategy to improve the effectiveness of your visualization is to combine it with deep breathing and meditation. Before beginning your visualization session, take a few minutes to relax and focus on your breathing. This helps calm your mind and body, preparing you for a more intense and focused viewing experience. Finally, don't forget to share your goals and visualizations with trusted people who support you. Surrounding yourself with a support network can provide additional motivation and strengthen your commitment to your goals. Visualization, when practiced correctly and combined with consistent action, can transform your life and help you achieve your most ambitious dreams. The observer effect in quantum physics. Quantum physics tells us that we sustain our world with our attention. One of the most widely accepted principles in quantum physics is the observer effect. Without getting into complicated details, the observer effect basically says that you get what you want. Think about it. If you look for references in your world where people are mean, unfriendly, and selfish, you will find them. And if, on the other hand, you look for references of people who are loving, cute, and affectionate, you will find them too. This phenomenon is not just an abstract theory. Imagine you are at a party. If you go in with the expectation that people will be friendly and have a good time, you're more likely to have a positive experience. However, if you go in with the expectation that it will be boring and that no one will want to talk to you, that's probably your experience. The key is to focus your attention correctly, because where you put your attention, you put your energy. Furthermore, the observer effect has profound implications for our daily lives. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, and every belief you hold acts as a lens through which you perceive the world. If you constantly think about negative things, you will attract negative experiences. On the contrary, if you focus on the positive, you will begin to notice more opportunities and favorable situations around you. This principle also applies to your goals and dreams. If you maintain a clear vision of what you want to achieve and focus your attention on the actions necessary to achieve those goals, you will increase your chances of success. For example, if you want to improve your health, focus on visualizing yourself healthy, doing activities that make you feel good, and making decisions that benefit your well-being. This conscious attention directs your energy toward manifesting better health. The observer effect may also explain why some people seem to be luckier than others. Those who expect positive outcomes and believe in their ability to influence their destiny tend to take more initiative and persevere in the face of challenges. Your positive approach not only affects your perception, but also influences your behavior, creating a feedback loop that attracts more success. To make the most of the observer effect, it is important to be aware of your thoughts and emotions. Practice self-awareness and regularly review your beliefs and expectations. Ask yourself if you are focusing on what you really want, or if you are allowing fear and doubt to direct your attention. By consciously adjusting your focus, you can transform your reality and align with your true desires. Quantum physics offers us a powerful perspective. Our observations and expectations have the power to shape reality. By learning to direct our attention in positive and constructive ways, we can create a world that reflects our highest aspirations. The power of visualization boards. You've heard of visualization boards, right? They are a powerful tool that helps you keep your goals and dreams constantly in front of you. Gather images of everything you want to attract into your life and create a fun board. Get your family involved and do it together. Put these images in places visible to you, where you can see them constantly. Vision boards work because they turn your abstract goals into tangible visual representations. When you see these images every day, your mind starts to believe that these things are possible. Additionally, a vision board can serve as a constant reminder of your goals, helping you stay focused and motivated. To maximize the impact of your vision board, be sure to include a variety of elements that represent your goals in different areas of your life. This can include images related to your career, relationships, health, finances, and personal growth. The more detailed and specific the images, the more effective the dashboard will be. Another effective strategy is to update your display board regularly. As you achieve your goals or your aspirations change, add new images and goals to maintain your motivation and focus. This refresh process also allows you to reflect on your progress and celebrate your achievements, further strengthening your belief in the effectiveness of visualization. In addition to images, consider including inspiring words and phrases that resonate with you. These affirmations can act as powerful reminders of your capabilities and aspirations. For example, words like success, abundance, love, and health can help keep your mind aligned with your goals. Placing your board in a place where you will see it frequently is crucial. It can be in your office, your bedroom, or any other place where you spend a lot of time. Every time you look at your board, take a moment to visualize yourself reaching those goals, feel the associated emotions, and reaffirm your commitment to your dreams. Involving your family in creating vision boards can be a fun and unifying activity. It not only strengthens family ties, but also allows each member to share and support each other's dreams and goals. Doing it together can create a network of mutual support that benefits everyone. Finally, remember that visualization boards are not just static tools. Interact with them regularly. Take a few minutes each day to look at your board, visualize your goals, and feel like you've already achieved them. This daily practice reinforces your goals and keeps your energy focused on manifesting your dreams. In short, visualization boards are a powerful and flexible tool that can help you bring clarity, focus, and motivation to your life. Use them creatively and consistently, and watch your dreams begin to come true. Tips and tricks for visualization boards. Make copies of your board and post them in places you see frequently. Cut out photos of yourself and paste them into images that represent your goals. For example, your face on someone's body skiing or hugging your partner in front of the Eiffel Tower. This helps your mind believe that you have already had these experiences. Additionally, you can use image editing programs to create more detailed and precise visualizations. If you're good with Photoshop, you can create entire scenes that include your goals and dreams. You can also write detailed descriptions of your goals and paste them next to the images. These descriptions should be specific and exciting, helping you visualize every detail of what you want. To make your visualizations even more impactful, consider adding touch elements to your dashboard. For example, you can include fabric swatches that represent the clothes you want to buy, or small pieces of materials that remind you of your goals. These tactile elements can help make your visualizations more vivid and real. Additionally, review and update your board regularly to keep your goals fresh and relevant, allowing you to stay motivated and focused on achieving them. Live the experience through your visualizations. Live the experience in your mind. Sit in your dream car and take a photo. Imagine that you are already living what you want. This is the true power of visualization. An additional technique is guided imagery, where you follow a script or recording that takes you through a detailed experience. This can help you focus and go deeper into your visualization. You can find many guided visualizations online, or even record your own narrations to listen to regularly. Another way to make your visualizations more effective is to incorporate them into your daily routine. Take a few minutes each morning and night to visualize your goals. This not only helps you maintain a positive focus, but also programs your mind to always be looking for opportunities that bring you closer to your dreams. Create an abundance mindset. A simple $100 bill in your wallet can change your mindset. It makes you feel abundant and able to buy whatever you want. This changes your vibration and tunes you to abundance. The abundance mentality is not just about money. It's a way of thinking that applies to all areas of your life. It involves recognizing and being grateful for what you already have, while opening yourself to receive more. You can practice daily gratitude by writing down things you are grateful for. This helps you focus on the positive and attract more of the same. Additionally, surrounding yourself with people who also have an abundance mindset can be very beneficial. The people you associate with influence your thinking and beliefs. Look for communities and groups that share your goals and values, and learn from their experiences and perspectives. Conclusion. And so we come to the end of our journey towards visualizing and creating the life of your dreams. We've explored how visualization is the key to fulfillment, a powerful tool that has been used by successful people around the world. We have seen how the unconscious mind does not distinguish between reality and what we vividly imagine, and how the observer effect in quantum physics shows us that our attention shapes our reality. Plus, we've shown you how to create and use visualization boards to keep your goals at the forefront of your mind and motivate you daily. From cropping photos and using editing programs to incorporating detailed descriptions and tactile elements, every detail can help you make your visualizations more effective and realistic. Remember, the key is to fully immerse yourself in the experience, living every detail and combining your visualizations with positive affirmations. Spend time each day visualizing your goals, and you will see how your mind and energy align to help you achieve them. Now, I invite you to take action. Start creating your vision board today and watch your dreams begin to materialize. Don't forget that the first step towards success is believing in yourself and your ability to create the life you want. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate notifications so you don't miss our next videos full of tips and tools for your personal growth. Leave us a comment telling us about your experiences with visualization and what goals you have in mind. We would love to hear from you and support you on your journey to success. Until next time,